Hello, Namaste. Today we are going to see about the preparation of ginger oil. First of all, let us know the ingredients which are necessary. Coming to ingredients, the main ingredient is the fresh ginger. Secondly, the sesame oil. The next, the ginger grater, filter or filter paper, a pan for heating oil on the stove, and a glass jar or a sterilized vessel to store this oil. Now let us see the ingredients, how they look like and all. Firstly, ginger. This is the fresh ginger. You can see this. And we need the sesame oil. And this is the ginger grater, which we use to grate the ginger. And normally in European countries, this instrument we use for grating the cheese. Nextly, these are the filters. You can also use filter paper if these are not available, and a sterilized vessel for the storage of the finally prepared oil. Now coming to the procedure for the preparation. First of all, we need to take this ginger grater. Along with it, we need this fresh ginger. Just move to the pan and start grating it. Using this, we have grated this ginger. You can see how it looks like. And now in this, we are going to add this sesame oil. Almost you can take 2.5 cups, approximately 2.5 cups. Once you added this oil, you just turn on the stove and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. This oil is slowly heating. Meanwhile, I would like to explain you the few points like the uses, how this oil is useful for us. This oil can be applied on the skin. This is useful for reducing the swelling and bloating of the abdomen. This improves the digestion. This is having an antimicrobial property, that is, it kills the microorganisms. This oil is useful for treating digestive problems like gas problems, some gastrointestinal reflux disorders, and this oil is also useful for treating some respiratory disorders as well as some arthritic pains, some chronic pains. The professor in class will be explaining you even more about this oil, the uses, etc. You can see how this oil is boiling, and you can even see the fumes, how it is. This oil has been boiling for around 15 to 20 minutes. So now this is almost ready. So what we need to do is we need to allow this to settle down for some time. So just place it somewhere so that it could just cool down for a while. Now we are going to take this filter and cover this over this sterilized vessel completely. And the oil which is cooled down, now we are taking this and adding into the top of this filter just to filter this this ginger ingredients from the oil. Yeah. Now you need to squeeze this, because the main medicated oil completely lies in this ginger. So you need to squeeze. Now our medicated ginger oil is completely ready. This is one of the best Ayurvedic oil used for normal pains, for gastrointestinal diseases, for respiratory disorders. This technique is very simple, but this is quite powerful. The whole procedure, like how we are gonna use this oil in our daily life, what to do and what sort of problems this oil gonna cure, everything will be explained in class by our professors. Thank you for the opportunity. This is the preparation of ginger oil.